Hi, tubesters and two-bits. Y'all know we behind the scenes, man. Behind the scenes, man. Y'all see we getting them wires ran. Y'all see we getting them wires ran. Gotta use that 0 gauge. This boy here got a lot of firepower. We got what, 4 6.5s, 4x6s, 2 pair of tweeters, 6x9s. What else he got? He got 4 spare tires he finna put back here. He got 4 spare tires he finna put back this sucker, boy. So, boy, the only thing we gonna have a problem with is keeping it on the hinges. He got a 2000, two 2000s and a
1,000 watt 4-channel.
That's 1,000?
Yeah, for sure. It's a little better, right?
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, 1,000 watt 4-channel. So you know he finna bring some pressure. He finna bring some pressure. Got that nice double DIN. Got that nice flow model. My boy Hacko running all new fresh wires. Getting it all labeled. So if there's any issues, man, he'll be able to come back and y'all see them labels, man. Wait till you see it done. He got this big XS power battery back here. So we got to make a custom box for 412s. We're gonna mount the battery up here, up top here, build a little bracket for it. We got 3 amps we got to put back here. So we're gonna see where we're gonna mount the amps after we put this little mini casket back here. Get that part figured out. Might make a false floor where they sit down here on the bottom. Might stack them, might hide them. We're not sure yet. Heck, not sure. All he's doing is pulling all of the wires to the back, making them extra long. He'll cut them to length. Next, he'll start running all of the LEDs. All the LED wires. What's that? 4x6?
Yep, 4x6 tweeter.
4x6 in the tweeter on both sides.
Console speakers, kick panel speakers, RGBs in the doors, RGBs in the back quarter panels.
Okay. So we running RGBs in this one here, man. This is a new setup for us as well. You know, we usually do solid colors, but we want this thing.
Like 2,000 different combinations.
Is it?
Yeah. It's like when you mix the different colors in art class, all the different colors.
Oh, yeah.
Red, green, and blue. That's what you can make.
Sweet. So we're going to put the EQ up here in the factory radio location, man. Once we build that console, we'll put that floor model down here in the console. Make a nice full console. We are doing bucket seats. We are doing 2 separate bucket seats, man. This color combo is smoking. So it's going to be nice and bright. Of course, you know, we got to do that suede wolf up top. We're going to drop this head, the sunroof down. We're going to drop the sunroof down, put them a top on it. And yeah, we got to make sure all of these work too. Hecko.
I don't know what they came out of.
I think this come out of the G6, you say.
Okay, I look like a GM style switch.
Yeah, but I think it came out of the G6.
Makes sense.
So we're gonna get everything color matched, of course. You know, we can't fondle with that brown mess. So we're gonna also do 2 kick panels. Kick panel speakers to keep the doors nice and clean. So we're gonna do kick panels here. I said on each side, build some nice custom kick panels. Couple pair on the side of the console. Keep it nice and clean, fresh. Of course, you know we got to throw the LEDs all the way through it. We got to still build something funky, so that's gonna make it match up at the back. Everything will be wrapped and stitched. Everything will be wrapped and stitched. You say you see how nice and tight the wires are running down the center. And what is these right here, Hat?
RGB. I gotta connect all them together.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's just my junction point where I'm splitting off for all the buttons.
Gotcha.
Instead of running 8 long 16-foot wires, I'm just branching off of one line.
Makes sense. So he got this wire and stuff covered in a bag. So after that, man, we're gonna throw some dynamite through the whole floor. Kind of soften the sound up some and keep down on some of the heat as well. Man, this thing here gonna come together real proper, like real clean. Like I said, we're gonna put that half rag on here, that half vinyl top from here to the front. So we'll drop this down. That way we get a nice clean transition and edge. And look awesome, man. And like I say, man, he done a lot of the work already as far as weather stripping. See, that be the main thing, man. You guys don't be doing a lot of your homework before you bring your cars. He go ahead and had all his weather stripping done. He already got his Landau pieces. Everything is proper and in place. He put the interior in, and it go. We're gonna dynamite all of this stuff up, man. Get about 200 square foot. Line it up. He got power locks, yep. They already got power locks, man.
Got power everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, what are you on? Them SDs? Them SD forges. Coilovers on the back. Boy, this some box pressure. I've been waiting to get my hand on the box and they let me do my thizzle. And they let me do my thizzle. Customer painted it himself. Not too bad either. Damn good. We done did it himself. Ohio. I got to give you your props on this. I ain't gonna show everybody your drivetrain under there. You know, them nosy neighbors. But that's where we at on this one, man. Like I say, Hacko running all the wires through, getting everything labeled. Then we gonna come through, down him at the full car. He gonna start building this box for these 4 spare tires back here. Shoot, it should wham.
No, it's gonna wham.
It's gonna wham.
It's gonna wham. Hopefully she'll stay together.
That's gonna be your next problem, buddy. Staying together. You heard it. And he do this all day, every day.
She gonna rattle.
Well, he might like that. Well, he ain't go that far tonight. Well, I'm gonna be back in a minute, man. Y'all lay around for it.